Okay, in this whole TikTok versus YouTube situation, there are a few key points you need to know, especially if you're a college student, especially if you want to build your career on social media. Firstly, understand that Mumbai is the financial capital of this country for a reason. The college students here follow the TikTok versus YouTube fight closely. The college students here follow Big Boss closely. The college students here follow the MEA versus Raftar kind of fights very closely. कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? Because they're bored, because they lack ambition, because they don't know what they're doing with their life. When you come out of college, when you're at the age of 22, that's when you know, I want to do this with my life. And mostly, you'll see that most professionals in this city don't give a about TikTok versus YouTube, about MEA Raftar fights, about Big Boss. Everyone focuses on their own industries, their own careers. And that's why Mumbai is the financial capital of this country. That's why I'm proud to be a citizen of Mumbai. I'm very concerned with my own world, my own work. I don't need drama in my life. There's enough drama in my own head because I want to grow to the next level in my life. Now, as a YouTuber, speaking about Carrie Minati, he's more than a brother to me. We've had some intense heart to heart conversations, and I really feel bad about his video being taken off from a YouTuber standpoint. I understand what it's like when you create something and then it just gets taken off. It's very painful. That's happened to me in the past with a few of our videos. I just hope the best for him. But specifically in terms of the TikTok versus YouTube situation, I really feel that it wasn't really a platform versus platform situation. It was a creator versus creator situation that blew out of proportion. People started perceiving it as, oh, YouTube is better, TikTok is better. And there started being national level fights. It's blown out of proportion. But the truth for you is that 500 million Indians are yet to begin using the internet. Most of them are not going to use YouTube. They will discover YouTube eventually in their life. Right now, they're only going to discover TikTok because the people closest to them are using TikTok right now. You open TikTok, it's primarily small town India that's on TikTok. It's villages that are on TikTok. Also, that's where the money is to be made, just so you know. There's two ways to make very big money in this country. One, you sell outside the country. You outsource your product. You sell to USA, you sell to Europe. Two, you sell to the interiors of India. Okay? It's not that easy to crack that USA Europe game. In fact, the whole world is looking at India, seeing the size of our population, seeing the size of that same 500 million population that's going to come on the internet and saying, I want to create products for this country because I want to become rich. And we're Indians here. Instead of focusing on those 500 million people, instead of focusing on that TikTok audience, we're looking at that audience and calling them names, saying things like, oh shit, this audience is so loserish for using TikTok. They don't know anything. They're not educated. And we're being all cool about, using YouTube. Listen. I'm a YouTuber. I adore my YouTube audience. I also create TikTok videos occasionally. I've built out an audience there. My goal is to change the country. Yes, I am changing the country by changing the leaders of this country, which is the YouTube watching audience. 50 years from now, you guys will be at the top in businesses, in industries. But my goal is also to spread education to the corners of the country. That's my only reason for doing TikTok. Obviously, it helps with numbers. But I'm at a stage in my career where I don't give a about numbers. I give a about the growth of my businesses. I give a about creating an impact in this world. And that's going to happen when you talk to the rest of the country. If you're someone who wants a social media career, it can be as a social media influencer, as a video creator, as a businessman who heads an agency like Monk Entertainment, you are going to have to be on TikTok. Why? Because honestly, YouTube is extremely saturated right now. It'll take a lot for you to break out. And YouTube is a lot of work, to be honest. Okay? It's not everyone's cup of tea. Sabki bas ki baat nahi hai. Remember that. It took me a long time to crack this YouTube game. I've seen the way YouTubers struggle, and it's not an easy game to play. TikTok is much easier. At this stage of social media training, if I am to give a seminar to someone, if I am to tell someone to take up a social media career, I will tell them that if you can do YouTube, go for it. It's a great platform to build an audience. You'll build the most beautiful, most loyal, most loving audience. But if it's numbers that you want, go for TikTok as well. I never say, oh, don't do YouTube, only do TikTok. It's not like that. YouTube is difficult to crack. TikTok is easy to crack. It makes sense as an engineer. When you're an engineer, when you're an engineering grad, you see the easiest case scenario in all your situations and all your challenges. It's extremely easy to crack the TikTok game. And why should you crack the social media game in the first place? Remember that throughout the coronavirus situation, throughout the lockdown, there were two industries that benefited a lot in terms of money and numbers. The first is healthcare, that's doctors or anyone related to medical professions. And the second are social media people. Why? Because we have distribution channels. That means that tomorrow, if I start a clothing line, because I'm a YouTuber, I will have a distribution channel through this podcast, through my Hindi channel, through my TikTok page. I'll be able to tell people, hey, thank you for following me for so long. By the way, I've created this sick ass product for you, which you can consider buying if it appeals to you. You need distribution channels, especially in the near future, over the next 5-10 years, to be able to sell any product. People aren't going to be heading out of their houses that much, but they are going to be heading out of their houses through their mobile phones, through TikTok, through YouTube. Okay? It's very crucial for everyone to have some social media skills in the modern day. That's how you're going to sell your product. That's going to become the new form of marketing. Influencers like me, social media stars like me are going to benefit a lot. But there needs to be the next gen of social media stars as well. So many people are so concerned about which is the superior social media platform that you're not understanding that it's not about YouTube versus TikTok. It's about who's the smartest influencer or creator here. What's the future of India? The future of India is multiple social media platforms. It already is the present. You've got Instagram that almost everyone's on. You've got YouTube that almost everyone's on. And you've got TikTok, which a lot of people are gravitating towards. Even the fancy urban South Bombay, South Delhi people are using TikTok nowadays. So in this YouTube versus TikTok fight, there's no clear winner. But if you understand the world of social media, you'll be able to create your distribution channel. And the winner in the TikTok versus YouTube fight will be you. Because both the platforms are growing. Learn how to build a social media career. It's very, very simple. Drop your comments under this video if you want me to start a series where I'll educate you guys on how to begin your social media careers. It's really, really a step-by-step process. Okay. Now, the final point I want to talk about is money. I've actually done a detailed business analysis of YouTube versus TikTok on a Hindi channel. I'll give you a quick summary. Both the platforms have a lot of money in the future. As of now, YouTubers are way ahead in terms of money compared to people who create videos on TikTok because we've been around for a while, because we have a lot of loyalty and depth when it comes to our audience. TikTok mostly has only numbers. Yes, they have a loyal fan following, but their fans are not the people who spend big money when they're going shopping. Chances are that the YouTube audience has a higher spending power. That's why the YouTuber currently, in terms of brand value, is more valuable as compared to the TikToker as of now. Okay? 2 years later, 3 years later, if some smart TikTokers actually build out a very good brand like a Bhuvan Bam, like a Prajakta Kohli, like a Bunic, then maybe things will be different. And don't think that the current top YouTubers won't build their brands further. They're going to keep taking their games further as well. But what are you supposed to do if you want to win this game? Create a brand, be on multiple platforms. And also, very crucially, this is what people don't understand. LinkedIn and Twitter have the big futures in terms of business, in terms of money, in terms of growth. The influencers that are able to crack those two platforms along with TikTok and YouTube will be the real winners. If you can do all four, do it. It's a lot of work, but trust me, here's one rule I follow for life. It's not about striking when the iron is hot. It's about making the iron hot through your striking. Work so hard, outwork everyone so that you put yourself in that best possible position to kill it in life, to grab that big opportunity, to be known as the best in what you choose to do, the best in your genre. And that's not going to happen if you spend time on consuming dramas that are going on in this world. That's not going to happen if you spend time consuming the fights that are happening all around you on Bigg Boss, or these big rap battles that happen online. Enjoy rap. Enjoy Bigg Boss from afar. Don't watch it for the fights. Enjoy Carrie Minati for the kind of content he makes. But don't get consumed by the fights. Focus on your own growth. There's a reason Mumbai is the financial capital of this country, because every single person here focuses on their own motherfucking growth and not what's happening in the outside world, not fights. Please, create a mindset change within your own head. Enjoy yourselves. God bless you.